Hi, this is attorney Jamie Miller from Miller and Miller. I appreciate you looking at this video today. And the big question that we hear from many clients is how much is this going to cost? And that's a really important question. And again, it's something that it really determines the amount of work. It's determined by the amount of work that we need to do on your case. There's no real clear-cut answer. But the one thing that I want you to know about Miller and Miller is that we have a lot of things that we do for you that are above and beyond what you may hear other bankruptcy lawyers are doing. So prior to filing your case, we are going to review your credit report. So once you hire us, once you come in and you put down as little as $100, we're going to pull all three of your credit reports and we're going to send certified letters out to your creditors. When we send those certified letters out to your creditors, we do that because we want to make sure they stop bothering you. There's something called the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act and also something called the Consumer Act. Just with that first $100 down, we are going to put your creditors on notice to leave you alone. And if they violate the FDCPA or the Consumer Act, we're going to pursue claims on your behalf. And then once we get your case filed, we're going to send you through a process of notifying your creditors and continuing to keep the creditors off of your back. And then after your case is done, after you get your discharge, we're going to pull your credit report again and we're going to review it to make sure that your credit report reflects that your debts have been discharged and that your creditors can no longer bother you or report negatively against you. And then we put you in our 7 Steps to 720 program. But all cases are different. And the one thing that I can tell you about cost is that we're going to work with you. We're going to set up a plan that's going to work within your budget. I have never had a client that's come in and says, I can't afford this because you're not working with me. Because we will work with you. We're going to do everything that we can to make the process as affordable as we can and also set up a payment plan that's going to work for you and going to work within your budget.